Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 17.2.4 and we're going to look at informational and network tools. Your Linux system named IT laptop has been running slow when trying to access a remote computer on the internet. To help troubleshoot the issue, you want to know what route your computer is using to access the remote computer. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to use the exhibit to locate the IP address of the external DNS server. Answer question 1. Use the command necessary to find the route used to access the external DNS server. We're going to answer question 2 through 5. Use the command necessary to find the route used to access the remote computer using 10.10.20.10 IP address. We'll go ahead and answer question 6 and 7. Alright, so let's go ahead and start up lab. The first thing we want to do according to the task is to go to the terminal, and we are going to open up our terminal. Okay, from the task, this here. Okay, so use the exhibits to locate the IP address, and the command necessary, use the command and answer question 6 and 7. Okay, so this is what we need to do, and that revolves around the terminal, which is one of the first things we need to do. But first, let's look at the exhibit, and here we want to look at this area. This is 163.28. Okay, so let's be sure 128.80.93, and the question says what is the IP address of one of the external DNS servers. That is going to be 163.128.80.93. Okay, so what is the IP address of the default gateway of hop 1? Okay, so this we've answered this question first of all, so we keep working. Let's close this and continue working. Just want to be sure that we are in the right direction, so we'll go into the terminal, and for the first task what we want to do is to we're going to type in trace route space 163.128.80.93. So press enter, and this will bring us some details. And this, what is the IP address of the default gateway hop 1? So for hop 1, according to the information we have here, it's going to be 192.168.0.5. Question 3. What is the IP address of the CompTIA main router hop 2? For hop 2, this is going to be 198.28.56.1. What is the IP address for hop 3? This is going to be 198.28.56.18. And what is the IP address of the ISP internet router hop 4? This is going to be 198.28.2.254, and we go ahead and check answers and see if we're doing fine. We're doing good. All of this is correct. Okay, so we'll continue with the tags. So we're going to use the command necessary to find routes used to access the remote computer. Alright, so we're going to type in trace route, and we're going to input space and 10.10.20.10, press enter, and this is going to give us the details we need to answer the remaining question. Okay, so let's go to the question. How many routers? This is going to be 6 routers here. And what is the IP address of the last router of the path between? This is going to be, let's see, 173.44216.7. So we'll go ahead and select that particular and check answers, and everything here is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need a more explanatory videos that explains every step, every move I made in this video, you might also want to reach me through my email so that I can send you the longer version of the email that is self-explanatory. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.